Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe. Welcome back, y'all. It's melting. So time to get this back on the trailer. Figured I would show you a quick little shot video of how one man can put one of these back on the trailer by himself. So here we go. And that's it. Simple. Anyhow, on a side note, thanks for watching. Thanks for those that are sharing, liking, subscribing. It means a lot to me. I don't really know what you guys want to see or what you need to see, so let me know. I filmed just about a little bit of everything, but I'm really iffy on what I release and what I don't. I got everything from window tinting to day-to-day firewood cutting stuff. You never know. Today, my issue of the day, it's spring and my shop floor is flooded because I drove over my sewer pipe a couple of weeks ago thinking that I didn't have to worry about it anymore, and it is a little close to the surface. I kind of knew that, and then we got a cold snap, and yeah, things are too tight. Can't afford a steam truck, so I might go research on what I can do to deal with that. But anyhow, let me know. I'll film just about anything. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe.